It's 9:45 Sunday morning in Las Vegas, Nevada, downtown. I just left the McDonald's there. I have my coffee, a large, and something happened that restored my faith in humanity. Someone, we'll call him John Doe, bought a coffee, a small coffee, for a homeless gentleman. And the gentleman didn't seem surprised, so I think he knew it was coming. Now, let's back up a couple of minutes. Time travel, if you will. The homeless gentleman, there are kiosks back to back where you can place your orders. And the homeless gentleman pointed out to a woman who was at one of the kiosks that there was a piece of paper on the floor, perhaps a receipt that was hers. So that woman bent down and picked up that scrap of paper. She examined it and appeared to recognize it. I do not believe it was hers, but from her expression, I think she knew to whom it belonged. So this homeless gentleman, by pointing out to that woman there was a scrap of paper at her feet, he paid it forward. The coffee, he paid it forward. And, you know, that's what it's all about in life, paying it forward. So let's all pay it forward and stay groovy.